the switch set up. That's the Z-axis switch. That's that one there. Oops. There we go. We're going to do a little bit of a calibration. Okay, we start by pasting with water, pasting a bit of foil down on the bed. This brush is just to get it wet, damp, really. Take this foil and put it down on the bed. Try to get it to cover the full XYZ of your bed, or the full XY of your bed. There we go. Next, you want to get a multimeter. It's got a continuity setting so that it will beep when there's a connection. And next, you want to connect one of the leads. Let's do it over the top because we want it to be stable during operation, to this shield cable there. And you'll notice that the tip, because it's got plastic on it, isn't conductive. So you want to take some acetone and clean out the plastic there so that when you touch it like this, it does make contact. So after a bit of cleaning with acetone, then we'll get the connectivity we're looking for on the tip. And then you want to connect the other lead to the foil so that when there's a connection between the tip and the foil, you'll get a beep. So then you start at one corner, and the idea is to use your jog of 0.1. Can you see that? So that's like 0.4 now at the moment. So as I click the down or decrease Z button, 0.2, 0.1, and then when 0 hits, you hear a click, and that's the click of the Z-axis switch or the Z-axis switch, and simultaneously the beep of the continuity meter. Now, because of the hysteresis in that switch, it only unclicks 0.2 millimeters away. So just to repeat that, to show you what you're trying to achieve, the decrease down to, that doesn't really matter what the Z says here, I just reset it to 0 when it was when the switch goes, but the idea is to have the click of the switch and the beep of the continuity meter at the same time. And then you do another corner and another corner and another corner. So let's just go around. So if the beep is too early for your click, it means your platform's too high, and you would screw this clockwise to lower this platform. Not too much, because this is just a fine thread, so maybe 1/8 of a turn or so. And try it again. And you would repeat until this corner is done, and then you move over to the other corner to adjust this screw. Or in my case, I would go to the back corner here and adjust that screw next. Oops. So let's say you're happy with this. It's clicking and beeping at the same time. switch to 10mm mode, for example, and increase Z 10mm, and then go over by 50mm in X, Y to the other corner. Okay, so now take 10mm off, change it to 10mm jog mode, and come up to the top, and the switch clicks, no beep. So we need to increase or get the platform a little higher. So after playing with it for a little while, here we go with 0.2 Z, 0.1 increment at a time. Click and beep, and the click comes off 2.2mm after. And then you adjust the other two corners a similar way.